Okay, everything is done. I used the regular Dial antibacterial soap on my babies, including me, my face, and everything. I'm just getting over COVID, and the part where it's contagious should be over tomorrow, so everything is okay. Each baby got their face washed, each one, and rinsed and everything. So here they are, bunched up today. Yep, every one of them. I usually use baby soap on them, but no, when they get a bath and everything. But today I just washed their faces for a reason. The little things count. It's for a reason because I've been handling them and, and mommy hug and all that stuff and kiss them and everything. So I don't want to have to go back and hug and kiss on them and then recatch the germs that I put on there. Okay, so that's what this is about. Every little face has been done. Look how shining they are without baby soap. I didn't put baby soap on them. They use my soap.